All right, so why were you all stealing? So I'm trying to see mentally where you are. All right, so didn't you have a son when this was going on?
No,
You just made it harder.
Yeah.
Because this is considered a crime of moral turpitude. Probation, this is an application. Hey, counsel, how's everything going?
Okay, Judge.
And how's my friend doing?
Not as good as before.
Right, well, I'm still keeping my prayers.
Steps forward and steps backward.
All right, well, tell him he's gonna have to keep doing the steps forward. Otherwise, I'm gonna write his biography for him.
I will, Judge.
I don't think he wants me to write it. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 002602 State versus Megan Sanchez. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Eddie Garcia for Ms. Sanchez.
And are you Ms. Sanchez? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
And Ms. Sanchez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are you waiving the reading of the indictment?
I am, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge, but now that I'm thinking about it, I think I neglected to put the prior judgments in our stipulation.
Oh, that's okay. Let me give that to you.
Thank you, Judge. Excuse me.
All right, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Sanchez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with theft, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony. Oh, you did it.
I thought it
Awesome.
was a different charge.
Thank you.
It's an aggregate, so we're good.
Sorry about that.
No problem. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call on the right to remain silent. Counsel, here you go. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes,
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Sanchez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your-
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulate, the court will find that defendant has knowingly, and it's Friday Eve. The court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, according to the plea, there's a $1,200 fine probated and the state recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense and state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No such motion.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you, and the theft course and MRT. Probation, are you ready?
Yes, Judge. He has a copy as well.
All right, thank you. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Cindy, are you ready?
Mhm.
All right, there's to be no contact with the Hebner Oaks Shopping Center locations and the locations of Academy at 2643 Northwest Loop 410, San Antonio, Texas 78230, Alta, ULTA, at 11745 IH-10 West 701, San Antonio, Texas 78230. Victoria's Secret at 11745 Block IH-10 West, northbound San Antonio, Texas 78230. And Bath and Body Works at 11745 IH-10 West, San Antonio, Texas 78230. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Without objection, Your Honor.
All right. And state, is there any restitution?
No, Judge, all items were recovered.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, who is who is Melanie Sanchez to you?
My sister.
And who's the older sister?
I'm the older.
I'm sorry?
I'm the older sister.
All right, and how old is your sister Melanie?
She's my age.
Okay. And who is Sean Lyons?
Sean Lyons? I don't know who.
Okay. They have these as other people who are involved. I don't know, maybe they were the people at the store, Mia Wells, Joe Warris, Erica Jones.
No.
All right, so why were you all stealing?
It was just to make money, but I understand that that's not the right way to make money. And I take full responsibility for my actions.
Well, why did you need to make money? Did you have employment?
At that time, no, I wasn't employed.
And why were you not employed?
I just wasn't employed. There's no excuse for why I wasn't employed at the time.
So are you employed now?
No, ma'am. I'm currently taking classes right now.
How old are you?
I'm 24.
All right, so how are you supporting yourself?
I mean,
No, I mean, how do you support yourself? Because it takes money to live. You have to eat.
no, yeah, I understand.
So-
Get assistance from government
Why?
because I don't have a job. So.
No, I mean, help me, because I'm trying to understand. You say you're receiving government
Yes,
assistance
ma'am.
because you don't work.
That's
So,
Who lives with her mother, that probably provides much of the support.
all right, so who are you staying with?
my mother.
All right, so why are you receiving government assistance? For, I mean, what
So,
reason?
I have a son.
Okay, and how old is your son?
He's 4. 4 years.
All right, so didn't you have a son when this was going on?
No, I understand. Yeah, I did have a son. I mean, there's no explanation to why I did what I did. All I can do now is just take
No,
responsibility.
I understand.
I can't go back and change what I did, but I can definitely move forward. Yes.
Okay, and I'm trying to understand, and the reason why I ask these questions, I'm trying to understand what conditions of probation would be appropriate for you. So I'm trying to see mentally where you are.
You did mention that you're in nursing school.
Yeah, at the moment, I'm in the process of trying to obtain my certification at A. You know, I just want to be a better role model for my sons.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to tell you, and I'm sure your attorney's already talked to you about this. Any occupation that requires a license, they do background checks. Doesn't matter really if it's deferred or not, it's going to be there. Not saying you will be precluded from getting your license, but you just made it harder.
Yeah.
Because this is considered a crime of moral turpitude. You understand?
My research, so yes, I'm aware.
Okay. And does your sister live at home with your mom as well?
No, she doesn't.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Probation, after her initial reporting, if you all want to just do Zoom, since she has a child and she's in school. No? Okay.
She also lives in Zavala County, Judge.
Okay, and where is Zavala?
2 hours from here.
All right. And there's to be, requires a transfer, Miss Abrams?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear where.
Zavala County?
Yes.
All right, there's to be a transfer to Zavala County. What city is that? Is it Zavala?
Crystal City.
It's Crystal City.
Crystal City, okay. So be a transfer to Zavala County, 120 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once parenting classes are completed, 60 hours will deem satisfied. I'm going to order the felony theft course. Once that's completed, the remaining 60 hours will be deemed satisfied. And there can be regular UAs or either the patch. There's going to be proof of employment within 60 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with Hebner Oaks Shopping Center and the following locations: Academy at 2643 Northwest Loop 410, 78203. Alta at 11745 IH 10 West, 701. (78203). That's the zip code. Victoria's Secret at 11745 IH 10 West northbound, 78203. And Bath and Body Works at 11745 IH 10 West, 78203. Field visits once per month for 2 months. If they do field visits where it's going to be, $1,200 fine, probated. And Ms. Abrams, the TAP evaluation can be done out of custody. Probation, is there anything else?
No.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Make better choices. All right. And good luck on your schooling.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
She stole to make money. Judge Boyd's questions expose the real cost. The courtroom grows quiet as Megan Sanchez steps forward to face Judge Boyd. Charged with felony theft involving merchandise valued between $2,500 and $30,000, Sanchez has already agreed to plead guilty and is seeking deferred adjudication instead of a conviction. After confirming that she understands her rights and the plea agreement, the judge reviews the details of the case. The stolen items came from multiple stores inside a shopping center, and the offense involved several individuals working together. When sentencing begins, Judge Boyd focuses on one question: why? Sanchez admits she participated in the theft scheme to make money. But when asked why she needed money, Her answers reveal a troubling reality. At the time of the offense, she was unemployed. Even now, she has no job and relies on government assistance while living with her mother. The judge presses further, pointing out that Sanchez was already a mother when the thefts occurred. Sanchez accepts responsibility, admitting there is no excuse for her actions. She tells the court that she is now pursuing educational opportunities and hopes to become a better role model for her children. Judge Boyd warns her that theft is considered a crime involving moral turpitude, meaning it could affect future professional licensing opportunities. The judge explains that even deferred adjudication will not erase the fact that background checks may reveal the offense. After considering the circumstances, Judge Boyd grants 4 years of deferred adjudication. Sanchez must complete parenting classes, a felony theft course, community service, drug testing requirements, and obtain employment. She is also banned from returning to the stores involved in the thefts. Before concluding, Judge Boyd offers one final piece of advice. Good luck to you. Make better choices. The hearing ends with Sanchez receiving a second chance, but only if she proves she deserves it.